I was tired of water sitting on our countertop and really wanted a solution that would keep everything tidy with this stainless steel. This kitchen organizer is 5 inches deep, 9 inches wide, and about 2 inches tall. The best thing about it is the base is this diatomite stone, which is a sedimentary rock that's really super absorbent, and it is shocking how quickly it can soak up water so you don't get water all over the countertops. Here you can see the drips coming off the sponge, but it's not going anywhere. It's just soaking into the stone. And anything that helps a sponge not stay wet for so long makes it kind of a very effective drying mat, sponge holder, and organizer all in one. I love that it's made of stainless steel, and I can put a lot of things in here. Really easy to wipe down, it's scratch resistant, and it's lasting well for us. A couple things I was curious about would it rust, and I'm not seeing any indication of that. It's holding our soap dispensers quite well, so I'm pleased with that. No assembly, it was just literally set on the counter and go, which I always appreciate. And it does come with 2 other attachments. If you want anything taller, that can fit in that in unit as well. This would be great, like when our kids had those toddler cuppies or whatever, and you needed those special bristle brushes, that would keep that nice and organized. And if you want to hang it on any wall, this is an adhesive that you can stick to any vertical surface, and then you can hang the holder on that. Overall, I'd say it's preventing the soggy sponges from sitting on our countertops. It's keeping things less cluttered. I like that it's rust resistant. I like that it has that fast drying diatomite base. I like the stainless steel frame. So if this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.